we are moving to reports. We're going to be seeing the types of reports that can be generated from the JTPOS software. So if I click on report, we have sales, supplied report, product report, jobs, statement, and statement customer. So let's look at the first one, sales. If I click on sales, we're going to have this page, and on this page we can view sales for a particular, for today or previous days, or a range or for a period of time. Then also we can look at expenses that has been made for today or for a particular range of time, and we can also see our profit. So without further ado, let's look at each of these features. So I'll select sales, and if I select sales, I'm going to enter a date range, let's say on the 12th and the 12th, and if I click on search, it is going to bring out all the sales for this date. So you can see that it has brought out today's sales. So these are all the sales that has been made today. These are the account numbers of those who made the sales, the invoice, the total of it. You can see that of Samuel is 2,900, and he paid 2,600, and the balance 300 was subtracted from his balance. So he has a balance of 62 naira, or whatever currency you're using, dollars, pounds, is going to work. Then there was no discount, and the mode of payment was POS. Same is going for all these working customers. I did, just to make it easy to understand, I made sales for working customers to make this easy. So this is the total amount of sales. So for today, we have made a total amount of 9,700 as sales for today. The paid amount was 9,400, subtracting the 300, and we have a balanced customer account of 62 naira. There was no discount. And when you come over here, you can now see that total transfer 6,800 was collected via transfer, and 2,600 naira was collected via POS. And if there was cash stated, if we made sales from cash, it's going to tell you how much, and total check, you're still going to see this. So you should now know how much should be in your transfer account, in your POS account, the cash that should be remitted for today, and also the check value. So this is just a quick review of the sales report. Then we can do the next here by checking our expenses. So I'll select expenses, and I'll select that same date range, 12. Let's just use today. We can customize from any date range to any date range. So I'll click on search, and it's going to bring out the expenses. So we made one expense, that was transportation. Purpose was transportation, and the amount was 500 naira, and the mode of payment was cash. Remarks, there was no remarks, and it was done on this day. It was entered by this admin. Then, so that is just a quick review also of the expenses. We'll go to the third option, profit. This is where we see our profit. I would enter profit, then I would enter, let's use same date range from on the 12th to on the 12th, and when I click on search, it is going to bring out our profit for today. So for today, we made a total sale of 9,700 naira, and the total cost of item or product, referring to the cost price of product, is 8,500. So we made an expense of 500 naira. If we subtract our cost price from sales price, is going to give us a gross profit of 1,200 naira. And if we subtract our expenses from our gross profit, we now have a net profit of 700 naira. So our profit for today is 700. And so what this is going to help you do, if you now have like a capital account, it is advisable now, you should now know that 8,500 should be going into your capital account. This is the money that should go into your capital account, and this is your profit that you can now use to run your business. So that is just what the profit calculation helps you to do. Also, you can calculate your profit for a particular year from January to December. So profit also can be calculated from January to December for a particular year. So I'm using 2025 as an example. And when I click on this button, yearly profit, is going to bring out all the statistics for January down to December. So you can see that for January there was no sales. So you will see your total sales for January. You will see the total cost of all items, the cost price of your item. You will see the expenses, all the total expenses made for January. Your gross profit is going to be calculated, and you also see the net profit. So that is what is going to reflect here. So with this can now help you to know which month you sold more, and it helps you to strategize in order to do well in your business. So this is just a quick review of the sales report.
Features: track multiple customer orders efficiently, provide clear invoices, charge per item, store customer details, offer repeat service discounts, accept cash, POS, transfers, check, manage costs and monitor revenue growth. You can choose between the offline and online version. You can access it on your phones. Monitor the general activities of your business from the admin panel. Perform backup and restore and lots more. Get a customized quote today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe now for more software demos. Contact us for pricing and demo. YouTube, JTECHNOLOGY Solutions. WhatsApp, +2348130441827. Email, jtechnologysolutions@gmail.com. Facebook, JTECHNOLOGY Solutions. Don't wait, take your business to the next level with JTPOS software.